Hi guys, welcome to Patterns Decoder channel. In this video, I am going to explain about Matic network price analysis. What is my point of view, where we are in the market. I want to be very realistic. What are the support levels? What are the resistance levels? Based on the Fibonacci levels are always applicable and mostly applied for all the markets in the commodities, stock market, and any other even cryptocurrencies also. I am going to show you how it is applied, how it is like very well respected, and what are the next possible scenarios. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Patterns Decoder and join my Telegram channel for the daily updates so that you can see what's going on in the market. Let us go through the video. See, I have opened the weekly chart. Weekly chart is very easy for in the big picture and for understanding the things. First of all, we will see if you see this market, the price has been very steadily in the price range between 0.03 and you can see the 0.01. From 0.03 and 0.01, it's almost from 2019 to here. It is in like a purely accumulation phase. So many developments is going on in the background, like some validated notes with the Infosys and so many other stuff is going on. But I'm not going to explain the fundamental things. I just see the what's going on in the technical part. Let us see what MACD is showing. If you observe the thing here, see the MACD, the bearish crossover here, the weekly chart showing that. Let me have a zoom out here. See the bullish crossover, the bearish trend has been completed, is about to cross. So that means within a 1 week we can see the huge momentum here. So once the like a bullish crossover, if you see the blue line crossover the purple line, that means a huge momentum, that uptrend has been is there. Let us see what, let us take the Fibonacci levels. Well, what are the support and what are the resistance level? Okay, let us see here. I have taken from the top to bottom. See here, if you observe here, see this is very well respected here. The entire levels here, it is supported, and here. See here also 0.382 levels. If you observe here, let me have a chance of entire thing. Okay, I have taken from here to here. If you observe this, the price has been ranging at this point of it, that the daily body close has not been done below this 0.236 level and 0.382 level. If you observe this here, see it acts as a resistance here. Once, let me have a look. It acts as a resistance line here, here also, and it acts as a support here. The price went up and it acts as a support here. See all these very well respected by this. That means for me it's like a very organic kind of accumulation. So the Fibonacci levels are very well respected. 0.618 here, it acts as a resistance here. Here also you can see the close, and here also if you observe this, the close, daily close below this 0.618, it adds a support, and 0.702 very well respected. This is the different kinds of Fibonacci supports and levels which we observe. If at all my perspective, I will just show you the what I have compared with other wave 1 and 2 so that we can have a glance of it, and then we will discuss what is going to happen. Let me go on through the line chart. I have subdivided into, I am just deleting the Fibonacci levels. See, I have subdivided this entire accumulation zone into three parts: the first cycle, the second cycle, and the third cycle. What's going on now? Here is the final thing, a small accumulation which can boost up to the previous ATH. Let me have a glance of a comparison between the another wave 1 and 2. Okay, I have taken this entire chart, this entire bull run, this again correction. That means this is the entire chart. So at present we are at this particular point of time, though the sub cycles have been taken here. So these are the sub cycles. If you observe this, I have subdivided into three parts. Like this phase, this entire correction is almost similar to this entire correction, and again entire correction has been happened. It went up and again it retested here. If you observe here, it like 1 second. Okay, it went up. The moving average 200 is a key point here. You see here. Let me have a glance of it. In the daily chart, it is very clear. I am just going to show you. Okay, I have been. See, the daily chart will make us very much interesting here. So this is entire correction, and you can see there is a new cycle here, the sub cycles I am talking about. So again it correction has been happened, and again they see here the two times it has been occurred here. if you observe the same thing, this went up, cross, and again up, and entire crash. The two subcycles has been completed here. The same way this completed up to here. Again it crossed the moving average 200, it crossed these levels, okay, and the small accumulation happened here. It crossed with the small and entire crash has been happened. Let us see whether it has been happened here or not. So it went up here, down. This entire phase is similar to this, like entire phase, and again up and entire crash. The same thing has been occurred here. See, up and entire crash. And this small level, what we are right now, what we are about to see, these small levels which is respecting the moving averages levels, okay, see here, this entire accumulation, the final accumulation, which I can call it, for a final confirmation we have to see that, okay, this is what we are discussing here is similar to this particular thing, this particular final accumulation, which will the next triggers the previous ATH to become that. So what is my key point here is, let me have a glance of it. I am going to show here. So what makes me much more interesting here is that daily candle close above this level, that means 0.02245, which makes me very bullish. Still I am also bullish, but for the final confirmation of my perspective and my point of view on this sub cycles and the patterns, like daily candle close above this 0.02237, and which can trigger up to the levels of 0.04216. This is my overall perspective of this thing. Let me have once again, let us go to the weekly chart. Okay, let me take the Fibonacci levels and see. Now I have explained that where we are in the market, what happens next. Also in the big cycle, if you see here, okay, this after this happened, it went up to the previous ATH and it can go on, because now at present we are in a very good scenario for all the alts. Most of the alts, as Ethereum is leading the market, and Bitcoin is almost entered in $30,000. That means we can be very bullish. That means if at all season is coming, that makes me feel that this is going to happen. Let me have a glance of once again the Fibonacci levels. Okay, let us see what are the next support and resistance levels. So what makes me much more interesting is that I will be let me have a check. Okay, yeah, 0. See here, this is very well respected, 0.0178. See here, this is very well acts as a support and resistance level. That means below this level I feel bearish, but above this level 0.02247, the daily candle close above this 0.02247 makes me very bullish, and it can trigger to 0.04. that means 100%. Almost if at all we enter here, we can get the 100%. This is like a very pretty easy, and because first of all you can check the fundamentals also. Fundamentals are very good. You can see the website, what the developments they are doing, and the technical side I have explained what are the support and resistance. I am not telling that buy and sell. I am showing that like support levels and resistance levels, if at all it going, there is a probability. These are all probabilities, anything can happen anytime. So let's see. If it is a bullish scenario and if it can cross the 0.02247, it can the most probable chances that 0.042 level, that means 100% of the profits, and the next resistance level is 0.066. The final, like I cannot say the final thing, the next cycle ending, there is a huge probability like 3.618 Fibonacci levels and 4.26 levels, that means 0.414 and 0.17. This is also there is a possibility that, but we have to go by step. First of all, we have to reach the 0.042 levels and then see what is going on in the market, whether it is taking some rest at these levels. Then if at all it cross again, that means it has taken the rest or not. You have to see the things, what is going on exactly things. But overall scenario, if you see the big picture, the weekly candle MACD, it's a very bullish momentum. So that makes me very bullish on Matic network. We can see other fundamental factors and technical factors also. This is my overall perspective on Matic network. If you I think if you like my video, please give some good comments in my video, and please like, share into all the Matic holders, so that they will be very happy and very helpful for the new holders also. Thank you. And I'm not a financial, and the videos in my channel is not a financial advice. I request you to do due diligence before investing in any cryptocurrency, crypto exchange or IO. I don't take any responsibility for the profit or loss, and not be liable to invest on the amount which afford to lose, and crypto market is very high volatile and high risky. Follow my Twitter account Patternsdecoder and join my Telegram channel Patternsdecoder. And for educational posts on these things, please join my Patternsdecoder Instagram account. Thank you everyone.